Woo! We're back down here, guys. A little less foggy. We're just getting the boat unloaded right now. We're gonna go get the truck part, and then we'll head down river. We're getting ready to ride into the abyss. Just letting the boat warm up, getting the radar turned on. Should be a good day. Well, we got two guys. They're not quite full, but tide's going slow, so we're just gonna dump them and then move on out. Oh yeah, not a full crate, but we'll take it. I'll show you a little bit of the product here. That's a nice clam. Perfect. That tide's ripping, boys. We've dropped off probably 100 pounds as of right now, but we're gonna keep flying through them. Guys, it is downpouring so hard. We got water in the back of the boat. We only got 3 today, but I'm pretty happy with it. It's not bad. Woo! If you guys like what we're doing, drop a like, follow, and a share. I'm loving it. We're finally taking off, guys. It is just downpouring. We're stuck high on the mud, and it is just coming down like freaking crazy. I'm fucking soaked. This is the wettest tide, yeah. I'm fucking just moist.